clean. Today, I would like to show you the new solution for the helmet washing. This is the helmet washing machine. It comes with two cabinets. The machine can have the helmet clean in 5 minutes. It's very quick and very convenient for people. The machine has the water inlet hole. So before using the machine, we have to fill up the tank water with water by the water inlet hole. Okay, now let's see how the machine works. You see here the big one, and we will turn on the machine by switch on the button. And now we have to wait about 10 minutes until the pressure reaches to 0.4 or 0.6 megapascal. Okay, first we use the steam gun to remove the hard dirt outside the helmet and the rim of the helmet. Remember to keep the steam gun in around 5 seconds to remove all the water remain in the pipe. Okay, now we place the helmet into the cabinet. And then we cover the helmet with a soft cloth to protect the plastic of the helmet and close the cabinet. Now you will see here the green button and the red button. The green button is for starting the process and the red one is for drying process. Very simple, just press the green one. You will see the light is on during the washing process. The machine is automatically starting the process from washing and transfer to drying process. When it's changed to drying process, you will see the red button is lighting. The whole process is about 5 minutes to make the helmet clean and dry. Now, the red light is turned off and let's see. We open the cabinet, take the cloth out, and we will see the helmet is dry. Now the whole process is only 5 minutes to get a helmet clean and dry. It's very convenient and save a lot of time. So the machine will be very profitable for anyone who wants to offer more service for motorbikers. If you have any question about the machine or you want to order this machine, call me or send me an email in the information below. Thank you and see you again.